Hiya, I'm Hamish from Gonzalez Byass. I'm here with Johnny from Ambiente Tapas in York at the Fossgate restaurant. We're here just to do a bit of prize giving as a result of running a little competition during lockdown. We got lots of members of staff to try and come up with some very creative food and wine pairings at home in their kitchen while stuck. As a result, Johnny has won the competition, so congrats. I really enjoyed his dish. When I saw it in a video with being prepared, not only did it make me kind of think, I really want to make that now, literally now or this evening. I've made it 3 times since, and the ingredients weren't particularly what I was expecting to see. So very quickly, I'm going to introduce these quick wines, and Johnny's going to tell me what his dish was. So we've got all quite heavy wines. We've got a lovely Cabernet Sauvignon from Ripeau in Chile, a rich Merlot from Casablanca, also in Chile, a lovely Portuguese blend from Quinta de Noval, who are very famous for making port. It's one of their dry red wines. Some Cabernet Sauvignon from Stellenbosch in South Africa by Neil Ellis. Altos de la Finca, which is made by Finca Constancia, quite a fun winery which these guys do well. Their top wine from Petit Verdot and Syrah. And lastly, our friend Katie Jones from France, making 100% Carignac, very old wines. So John, please tell me why I loved your dish.
So the dish we did basically came about because throughout lockdown the weather was fantastic and I barbecued basically everything I could throughout the entire time we had off. And because we were doing the competition, it sort of led us to really think about other types of food we could do on the barbecue, and that led us to do this dish, which was a roast squash, which was marinated in garlic and thyme, and then it was just done on the barbecue and then finished with a pomegranate and mint and feta salad on top. And it was just something that, I think, it was so hot for so long, and like I say, we were outside and enjoying the weather. It got to a point we wanted to be a bit light, so we've done your burgers, your marinated meats and all that, and it just got to the point where we really wanted to sort of try something different, and this competition sort of forced us to try something new. And obviously with the wine pairings, and it was really enjoyable. So it was a good thing to do during lockdown, and if you want to see the video, just click on the link.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.